in that back corner. See him there, there he is. Oh. Nah. Top of that building, Baz. Same one, same building. You see it poking their head through. Same tree that I watched a minute ago. Yeah. 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 I hope so, because I've been shooting at it for the last 10 minutes. No, it's just a big free-for-all. Oh, I think that's one of ours. Whoop, whoop. Moving up. Moving on up. That was my kill. Shot the fucker at the top. And another kill. Is that still? Yeah, still up there. Was that twice now?
Got shot in the nuts, mate. 30 shots in your leg there.
Oh, let's move forward, mate. there's got to be one upstairs still. Huh? Yeah, innit?
Well, even threw my gun then. Let me put it back again.
Yeah.
Draw it. Nice.
Yeah. Something's around there, isn't it?
Could be friendly.
Yeah, could have been.
Watch yourself. Front door. You've got a bang. You've got your pyros. Doug, your pyros. You've got a bang. Yeah, bang in there.
No, I think they're... I don't know, he's lobbing something up there.
Someone up there? Yeah.
Oh, red.
We're in this room here.
Yeah.
Ricochet. Oh, you got a bang. You need a bang in that doorway there.
You get hit again then? Oh, hit! I got hit in the nuts. You survived. Nuts of steel. Where's the flag then? Where's the old flag then? Baz? Where's, oh, that's it. Miles away. Yeah, sorry, I forgot.
What, take that building, yeah?
Yeah.
Again, yeah. Let me give me a breath though. I'm fat, alright? Where did you get more? E-hubby. No, you don't want that. You don't want that. E-hubby Asia.
I think we're swapping round. Oh, good. Trying to reload.
If I'm honest with you, I did most of that.
Oh, I'll split it with you.
No, I've got another one. Snickers.
I ain't going to pause it because each time I fucking pause it,
Used to get
I sort of lost it. No, I recorded last time, but for some reason, it didn't record.
Alright. Radio Shack.
That's just them though, isn't it?
No, so we start.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Why don't you do it when we get there?
Look, smart talk like that, Simon, I don't need.
Oh,
Yeah, things are improving, mate. I mean, even got my piss out my holster.
did you fire it? Baby steps, I suppose.
Not trying to rush it. Next time we go, I'm like, not sticking in my head though. Good though.
Yeah.
Not feeling it as much as I normally do, but
Really?
yeah, it's just my head, mate, that's all. Just my head. I might go get some goggles, Taylor's goggles. I might try them down the range.
Yeah.
Well, they're fine down the range, don't they, actually?
Oh.
Eat.
Easy.
You reckon you get your mini?
Well, I can cash in my shares 15th of October, I think. No. Although I pay, well, it's about £4 grand, but as I'm doing them early, I get national insurance and tax off them. If I leave them for another year, another 2 years, I don't have to pay that, yeah.
Your car won't last that long.
Our car's lucky if it'll last the next MOT, to be fair. And obviously she needs it for work, so I've got to get one.
Well, it's all free money, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that's the way I used to see it. I used to cash my Tesco's ones in all the time. Free money.
Yeah.
It's getting warm now.
She's getting warm.
Yay. That is why.
How many mags do you use then?
One. Yeah.
I went through 3.
Right, red team, listen up, guys. Good effort there, Reg. So that was job done. It was just underneath our time cap, okay? So it did take you close to 50 minutes. Pretty good, solid progress in the first 2 phases. But my word, did you have an hour about that white building, guys? You lost about 10 minutes on that. Still, we'll do the same game again, okay? You know literally what you've got to do because you've just done all the attacks. Just to clarify a couple of points for you on the defence, guys. What you do is you have 1 life in each area, okay? So now you have 3 lives total. You have 1 life here around the radio shack. Left-hand side, you can see the tape boundary is the safe zone. Right-hand side, there's no fixed boundary for you guys, but no more than about 50 yards away from this little central structure here. Don't go any further down the hill than the little wriggly tin sanger down there, about 30 yards down either, please. Stay this side of that. When you take your hit on your first phase, you drop back across the path line that's up there behind you, into the plantation. You have your second life anywhere in and around the plantation, guys, okay? Once you take your second hit in the plantation, you drop back down to the village, in and around the structures there, okay? When you've been hit for the 3rd time in the village, that is you dead and out of the game. At that point, move out and across the front bridge and just wait out at intel point 1, the blue barrel that's just into the pine forest. If it's your first time up here, and those directions don't mean a lot, then just ask us nearer the time, guys. There'll be plenty of staff out there to point you where you need to go, okay? That is all there is to it. You know what the attacking team has to do. You guys just have to make sure that you make them take longer than 50 minutes to do it, all right? The first area is obviously pretty fixed, but what you can do is make use of the depth of the plantation and not just do 1 fixed line at the pass, but make sure those burns count. The other team did that pretty well, I think, so see if you can do better than them. Likewise, guys, when you're defending in the village, just dig in, stay alive, and keep, make sure they run their timer out. That's all there is to it. Anyone got any questions on what we're doing? Right, that's it, right then. Go get yourself set out there, please. Right then.
So what was that? 1 here, we move back to the forest. 1 more, move back to the village.
Yeah.
Dead, out the village. Now, where you going? Go out there?
We're really close to this.
Yeah, I know. Let's move up.
No, I mean, we're close to say so. What's the plan then? Where should we congregate?
I think we'll be out here. Although,
I mean, they are going to be...
they're going to be coming directly from over there.
Yeah. I mean, they are going to be going down the hill. There's no one there at the moment. Do we want to go that far, or...?
I think we'll lose a life straight away, pretty much, won't we?
Yeah. Think of the songs that we sung about.
Oh dear.
I'll tell you what, now.
Let's be last line defence.
Pretty much up all over, isn't it?
Yeah.
Last line of defence.
Yeah.
Down here.
It's not the best looking defence I've ever seen, I've got to say, guys. I don't want to be critical, but it's shit.
I think we should go pretty well this side.
Alright, mate. Yeah, yeah.
Stay out too late, though. They'll be in Radio Shack before we even see them. And if you get hit, we just move you on out.
Yeah.
I was haranguing people that walk past and they said, "You're going to be there?" Well, nothing going to be there, then.
We can go this far. Because you've got the yellow. What's he waffling on about?
Don't know.
I think he's that thousand that green one there.
Seems a bit far away, doesn't it?
Is he in the boundaries on that left? Yeah? Oh, I will shoot him, yeah. I'm right there.
He's inside.
Is he?
Yeah, that's why I came round.
I didn't notice that green bit there before.
Yeah, that's why I came round.
Yeah?
Yeah. It comes up so far, then bulges out round the nose.
Oh. Whoa, hit! Freaking hell. I think I got a ricochet off your one. Yeah. So if we get right over, you know where we went before, if we head the same way, which was
Yeah.
through here, isn't it?
Yeah.
What?
The tinted. Oh, so it's just cuts down what you can see further out. That makes sense.
Oh, fuck no, it's over this way, isn't it? Yeah. They look so damn cool.
They do look cool. That's what we're here for, mate.
Yeah.
Where's the plantation start? Oh, it's,
Here,
yeah.
this area. Yeah.
Is that the pig pen?
Yeah, we just keep heading. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's where we, could go behind those ferns.
Yeah, we need to keep going, because obviously this is where we're,
Falling in, isn't it?
yeah. Ooh, it's warm.
It is.
Because they've got to nab these.
Let's take them then.
Yes, hide them. Don't do that, kids.
Intel.
Intel. Yeah, I might head over here. Yeah. Yeah. with the intel. Right, talk to my mate. Well, say mate loosely.
Yo, dude.
Yeah. Oh, oh. That means we need to get married now.
I think so, yeah.
Do you want to sit with this? It's fucking horrible.
I'm alright at the moment. Switch your camera off the other way.
No, I just look straight ahead. Because you don't want to do... Turn down, look down. Why did you look down?
No, I'm not recording at the moment.
You know
No, I've got to turn it back on.
what? Oh yeah, numpty. I'm not making that mistake because it didn't seem to record after that, so the only time I'm going to stop it is when the battery runs out
Yeah, fair
and I put a new battery in.
But to be honest with you, I wasn't really in that game that much.
No. No, and I must admit I seem to get hit pretty damn quick as well, so... Certainly warmed up, hasn't it?
I might just bring out the 336 next time, just do that.
Be lighter.
Yeah, I haven't used it for a while. I like it, it's no bad having two, it's not using it, so.
Mm.
Oh, that feels nice.
Is it your Velcro or something that's making...
That bit's digging in there and there. So I'm not trying just trim.
Just cut it down a bit or something.
Yeah,
Let's work at it. Oh, it's really here.
yeah. No, I've got the whole thing in there. I don't really need the whole thing, really. But I put it in there.
Yeah, you don't need sort of a little...
Yeah.
Enough, as long as you've got enough Velcro on it, that's fine.
That's it. It's just a case of going around it, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know what it's like shooting. It's like,
Yeah, you're always pissing around and doing this, that and the other.
you're not though. Good though. Good like it. Yeah, that's awesome. So much better.
Yeah.
Yeah, those clips, those sort of proper clips, they go on there.
Yeah, I don't know if they'll work on these.
No, I think they sort of attach to there maybe, or that bit.
You might be able to fashion them to work,
Yeah.
but
It's a lot of money if they don't.
yeah, 20 odd quid, isn't it?
Yeah. I thought, well, does the same job really.
We better start thinking about hiding, won't we? Because they're going to be obviously making their way up. There we go.
Yeah, let's do that then.
Just tell me where. Yeah, might just go back a bit further. Roger. got to be careful where you had your piss.
That was over there by that big tree over there. Don't worry. Oh, what did they do then? Oh. I don't think my sort of set up this.
Well, I don't know, if you duck right down, yeah.
In the dark cut maybe. Where's the village after this?
It's somewhere.
I ain't going to record this because you're not going to see much of it.
Be recording it all. Just to get me in it.
True.
That's the whole point. I'm just going to keep recording everything. And it's all going to go out raw. I'm not going to do anything to it.
Amazing.
Go straight on YouTube when I get home. Maybe you'll sit through the whole film other than me, so...
You got some subscribers, didn't you?
Yeah, me.
I think I subscribed, didn't you?
I don't know, but you need to.
I think Graham did, he was straight in there.
No, I'm just going to keep recording until it runs out, because I want to see exactly how long I've got.
Okay, fair enough.
And whether or not, if we ever do like the full day, whether I need to buy more batteries, you know.
And a memory card.
Bigger memory card, yeah.
I've got 128 gig on order, but...
I think these are maximum 32.
They say maximum 32, but I don't know why they say maximum 32.
Yeah.
It shouldn't matter.
No, true.
Put on it, does it? The phone's not going to say, oh, hang on a minute.
Yeah.
I don't know why they say that. The phone's got 64 on it. 128 turns up. And 230 to 64. I can't sort of fathom why it wouldn't work with the same interface.
Yeah. That's better. Tuck it in.
Oh yeah.
Because we need to keep an eye on this when they try and nick the intel.
Oh mate, I thought it was long dead by then. And that's optimistic.
Yeah. Get recording. Blue flashing light. Got another hour and a quarter yet before lunch. This will probably be the last game, won't it? They might get a fourth one in.
Is this the last game?
Well, if it took us 50 minutes,
Hmm. Great.
is it the camera?
No. That's not help. It's this bit. Blocking the cheek.
Oh, okay.
So I just think the smaller glasses in the case, just let me get down it better.
I must admit, I'm sticking to these. These are working out really well.
Yeah. I like them. Do I use this enough to warrant doing that?
Yeah, exactly.
You know? So, these nice to sit down. But the opposite, it's hard to cut them out anyway. We're getting right in the head now. So that would be naughty.
That would be very naughty.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Don't do